Hello everyone. Today, we're checking out the 5 most incredible excavators used in heavy mining. Massive machines, serious power, and cutting-edge tech. So hit that like, and let's get into it.
Okay, let's go.
Number 5. Here, we have the Delta Raw Machine SC360E8. At first glance, it looks compact, but inside beats a 250 HP engine built to conquer demanding terrain in heavy-duty mining. This machine might appear modest, but its rugged frame and fuel efficiency make it a powerhouse on the job site. Some interesting facts. Its fuel tank holds approximately 1,000 liters, and under full load it consumes roughly 25 to 30 liters of diesel per hour, following typical specs for this class. As for costs, in 2025, a brand new unit is estimated at around $300,000, $350,000, while a 10-year-old used model trades at approximately $120,000, $180,000 based on hours and condition. Rental rates run about $1,500, $2,000 per day, or $6,000, $8,000 per week, depending on region and agreement. But the profit this machine brings is incredible. It can earn up to $720 a day and hit $21,600 a month just from rentals. Number 4. Here's the Hitachi 606, a solid, no-nonsense machine that performs reliably across tough terrains and intense work sites. And the profits it can generate? Truly impressive. Popular for mining and heavy construction due to its maneuverability and adaptability. Fuel tank around 1,000 liters with consumption of roughly 25 to 35 liters of diesel per hour under heavy workload. If you're planning to go big in mining or large-scale construction, the Hitachi EX606 is one of the most powerful machines in its class. Let's talk numbers. A brand new unit in 2025 can cost anywhere from $300,000 to $450,000, depending on specs and extras. A used model, about 10 years old, typically sells for $140,000 to $200,000, depending on operating hours, maintenance history, and condition. Even second-hand, it's a high-value asset, and with good reason. This machine delivers serious performance. Number 3. Hyundai HX600. This is a Hyundai crawler excavator likely from the HX600 or HX670 series, part of the 60 to 70 ton class. Its design, including the reinforced boom, heavy-duty hydraulic cylinders, and wide tracks, indicates it's built for heavy mining and excavation. Estimated prices in 2025. Brand new unit. Approximately $300,000 to $450,000, depending on configuration and attachments. Used model, rather 10 years old, around $140,000 to $200,000, depending on hours and condition. Rental rates. Estimated daily rental ranges from $650 to $1,800 depending on configuration and market. You're looking at a true beast of the construction site. This powerful machine weighs over 50 tons. That's 50,000 kilos. It's capable of literally moving mountains. Its hydraulic arm can lift up to 25 tons in a single go. That's like 5 elephants at once. Now let's check out the badass work this beast can do. Real power in action. And there it goes, another dump truck rolling out, fully loaded. This beast is hauling around 40 tons of raw rock and ore, all packed in by that powerful Hyundai excavator. That's heavy-duty work, right there. Before we check out the next insane excavator, take a look at this dump truck. Watch how the driver gets in. This thing is bigger than an average house. If you want us to show you more massive dump trucks like this one, drop a comment below. We'll bring you more heavy beasts. Number 2. There is the machine Komatsu PC-1250. And now, hold your breath. Get ready to meet the true war machine when it comes to extracting raw materials from our Earth. The Komatsu PC-1250. This isn't just an excavator, it's an untamed behemoth, built to devour mountains and move the world. Prepare to witness heavy engineering in its most spectacular form. The ultimate war machine conquering any terrain. Flat, inclined, sand, or rock. With a 1,500-liter tank and consumption up to 120 liters per hour, it's pure power. New, it costs $1.5 to $2.5 million. A 10-year-old one? Still worth between $600,000 and $1 million. Maintenance, from $10,000 to $30,000 monthly. But the return? Daily rates from $2,000 to $5,000 and monthly profits that can hit $150,000. The Komatsu PC-1250, moving mountains and boosting your capital. Let's see what happens when this giant hits the field. Witness how it actually boosts production. Number 1. Liebherr. And now, the final giant, the Liebherr, the number 1, an engineering masterpiece weighing over 800 tons that conquers any challenge. This excavator is pure technology, from diesel versions with massive tanks to innovative electric versions. It redefines mining. The investment? A new one costs $10 to $15 million. Used, 10 years old, from $3 to $7 million. Maintenance can reach $200,000 monthly. But the return? Get ready. Daily rentals from $10,000 to $30,000 and a potential monthly profit that can hit $1 million. The Liebherr doesn't just move mountains, it moves the global economy. Enough talk. It's time to see this insane Liebherr in action. All right, folks. In our next episode, get ready for an encounter with the true mining monsters, engineering marvels that will leave you speechless. To make sure you don't miss this and other incredible machines, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Let us know where you're watching from in the comments and help us grow our community.